Good evening, everyone. In this tutorial, we want to see how to master a electronic pop track. Let's go to the track.
لحظه هامو یه بغضی ناگهانو یه عشقی تو چشامو فقط یه چیزو میگه تنگ دلم زیادو پر میکشه برا تو میزنه هی صدا عاشقت میمونم 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 بپیچه باز الان عطر تو توی هوا کاش ببینم باز چشا که میخندی باز برام میایی باز پا به پا عاشقت میمونم.
Okay, with new mindset, first I listen to this track, I feel the mood of this track, and then my decides will be on this feeling and on this mood that I have felt from this track. Technically, first we remove unwanted frequencies, resonances, and everything that cause ear fatigue, especially in this frequency range between 1K to 8K, and especially 1K to 4K. We try to remove harshness. This is what we are removing from the track.
فقط یه چیزو عاشقت میمونم عاشقت میمونم.
It caused the sound to be more polished, to be more clean, to be more finished sound. Then I don't need this, let's remove it. Then we go to this EQ. This is a very exceptional plugin, I think it does a great job to remove muddness and remove bad resonances from the sound. This is for mono section and this is for sides. And one note about this plugin is stereo width section. Let me find it. This knob, stereo width section. This thing gets your sound wide, but it messes around with already stereo settings and mess things up. So I try to not touch it at all. In mastering, we must avoid from drastic moves and drastic amounts with knobs and faders. 3 to 4 dB is more than enough if the mixing stage is done properly. This is more than enough. If the sound needs more adjustment, you must go back to mixing stage and try to modify the sounds from the stems in that stage. Then we put this sexy lady on the sound to glue all the sounds together to make it more punchy, or in this case I just put it to act like a limiter to just take off the peaks of the sound. It barely moves. Just taking the peaks, and then I use this plugin to make the vocal more prominent, a little, a tad more prominent in this song, because volume of the sides were too much for this track. I just decreased them. A little bit of de-essing. And then going to limiter with 2 to 3 dB gain reduction at max. I wanted to preserve the dynamics. I wanted to have an open ambient sound, and that's all. And this is how I mastered this track. I hope you liked this video. If you like it, you can support me by the links and addresses in the description, and I hope you enjoyed it.